Hey, first and foremost, hold up, shut up. I have something very important to say. I've never been this far north in Canada. God damn, it is cold as shit. It is so fucking cold outside, my balls are turning to popsicles. Which is awesome news for you ladies, because popsicles are fucking delicious. So first, fuck yeah of the night. Fuck yeah to my balls for turning into popsicles in Edmonton, so all the girls can lick my popsicles and have a beautiful night. Secondly, this is the most people that ever showed up for a fucking show for us here in Canada. So that is fucking amazing. Third, it is my honest belief that we should all, after I get off stage, go fucking swim with all the fucking sea lions in the fucking mall and sing around. You can say that, you know the motherfucker. I want to give a shout out to all the mall cops out there who hate that we're in here having a beautiful fucking time. But you suck at life because they're mall cops. I want to give a shout out to all the weird fucking people at the kiosk that get your hands and try and rub lotion all over them because they're fucking weird. And which section is the section of like underage? Is that section? So I know not to bring my penis over there, but I will bring it over here. But don't you worry, I'm gonna thrust my penis over there all night, just like it. But they get to actually touch it, so... Alright,